Good day and welcome to class. This is ANC TUTORS and together we'll be considering the question before us, which is as follows. Convert 1011 base 2 to base 10. Okay, so we raise the question for better clarity and we start to solve by expanding. To expand from 1 base 2 to base 10, we usually start by considering each digit of the number we are given. The number we are given is 1011 in base 2. It has 4 digits. Okay, so to expand, we take each of the digits of the number we are given and multiply by the base. For example, in this question, the first digit of the number we are given is 1, while the base is 2. And that is why we have 1 times 2 in the first bracket. Moving on to the second digit of the number, which is 0, we multiply by 2, which is the base, and that is why we have 0 times 2 in the second bracket. Taking the third digit of the number, which is 1, we multiply by the base, which is 2, and that is why we have 1 times 2 in the third bracket. And picking up the last digit of the number, which is 1, we multiply by the base, which is 2, to give us 1 times 2. And that is why we have 1 times 2 in the last bracket. If we are very observant, we can see that each of these 2 is carrying a number, which is called an index or a power. And usually the power is introduced from the right hand side towards the left hand side, starting from 0. Okay, so on the most extreme right, we have 0. Moving towards the left, we have the power of 1. Moving towards the left, we have the power of 2. And at the most extreme left, we have a power of 3. Okay, I want to believe you clearly understand how we introduce the power. And then we'll go on to simplify. In the first bracket, we have 1 times 2 raised to the power 3. But because 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 8, we write 1 times 8 in the first bracket. Then moving on to the second bracket, 2 raised to the power 2 is equal to 4. So we can say 0 times 2 raised to the power 2 is equal to 0 times 4. Moving on to the third bracket, we have 1 times 2 raised to the power 1. And 2 raised to the power 1 is equal to 2. So we have 1 times 2 in the third bracket. Plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 0. 2 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So we can write 1 times 1 in the last bracket. Also, it is important to note that anything raised to the power is 0 is equal to 1. 1 raised to the power 0 is 1. 2 raised to the power 0 is 1. 16 raised to the power 0 is 1. 500 raised to the power 0 is 1. Okay, then we'll move on to simplify this expression. In the first bracket, 1 times 8 is equal to 8, plus 0 times 4 is equal to 0, plus 1 times 2 is equal to 2, plus 1 times 1 is equal to 1. And so we add these digits together to give us our final answer. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. And 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 11 in base 10, which gives us our final answer.